Budget graphics cards enable affordable gaming, content creation, and multitasking, delivering essential GPU performance without high-end system cost requirements met. My today's video is about top 5 best graphics cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mughal graphics card. This RX 5 802048 SP 8GB GDDR5 GPU is a solid budget performer for 1080p gaming and everyday productivity. Built with Samsung memory and a 256-bit bus, it delivers decent bandwidth for texture-heavy games, reducing stutters in titles that demand higher VRAM. The 2048 stream processors paired with a 1206 MHz core clock provide stable frame rates in popular esports and older AAA games like Fortnite, GTA 5, Apex Legends, and Valorant, especially at medium to high settings. Its triple display support via HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI makes it practical for multitasking setups or office workstations. Cooling is handled by a dual-fan system with efficient heat pipes, maintaining stable thermals and low noise under load. While not for modern high-end AAA gaming, it remains a reliable and cost-effective choice for entry-level gamers and productivity users. Now our second product is Gigabyte graphics card. Powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, the GeForce RTX 5060 delivers a next-generation leap in efficiency and AI-driven performance, making it a strong contender for modern 1080p and even entry-level 1440p gaming. With DLSS 4 support, it leverages advanced frame generation and AI upscaling to significantly boost frame rates while maintaining sharp visual fidelity, especially in demanding AAA titles. The inclusion of 8 GB GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit interface ensures faster data throughput and improved bandwidth efficiency compared to previous generations, reducing stutters in texture-heavy environments and multitasking workloads. Paired with PCIe 5.0, the GPU is prepared for high-speed data transfer and future system upgrades, minimizing bottlenecks in modern platforms. Overall, the RTX 5060 balances performance, power efficiency, and future-ready features, making it a solid choice for gamers and creators seeking a modern GPU that blends AI acceleration with reliable everyday gaming capability. Our third product is Asus graphics card. Built on the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, this GeForce-class GPU delivers a strong blend of AI acceleration and gaming performance, highlighted by an impressive 767 AI TOPS for next-level machine learning tasks, frame generation, and real-time enhancements through DLSS 4. With boost clocks reaching 2,632 MHz in OC mode and 2,602 MHz in default mode, it offers both factory-tuned performance and stable everyday operation. Designed as an SFF-ready enthusiast card, it fits compact builds without sacrificing high-end capability, making it ideal for small yet powerful gaming or creator PCs. The advanced Axial Tech fan design, featuring a smaller fan hub and longer blades, improves airflow efficiency and thermal control while keeping noise levels in check during heavy workloads. Combined, these features ensure smooth 1080p and 1440p gaming, responsive creative performance, and excellent power efficiency, positioning it as a balanced, future-ready GPU for gamers who want compact size with serious modern performance. Now number 4. MSI graphics card. The GeForce RTX 3050 delivers reliable entry to mid-level gaming performance, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious gamers who still want modern features. Built on the RTX architecture, it offers real-time ray tracing and DLSS support, helping boost frame rates in supported titles while maintaining visual quality. With a 1,492 MHz boost clock and 14 gigabits per second memory speed, performance remains stable for 1080p gaming, especially in esports and moderately demanding AAA games. The 6GB GDDR6 VRAM paired with a 96-bit memory interface is somewhat limited for heavy texture workloads, but still sufficient for optimized settings and mainstream use. Connectivity is well covered with DisplayPort 1.4a and dual HDMI 2.1a outputs, supporting high-refresh monitors and multi-display setups. Overall, the RTX 3050 balances efficiency, modern GPU features, and affordability, making it a solid gateway card for gamers upgrading from integrated graphics or older GTX series hardware. And our last choice is Hyper-Render graphics card. The RX 588GB remains a strong and dependable mid-range graphics card, delivering solid performance for 1080p gaming even in modern AAA titles. Built on a 14nm architecture with 2048 stream processors and 8GB GDDR5 memory clocked at 1750 MHz, it provides enough power for smooth gameplay, stable frame rates, and decent multitasking performance. Its support for multiple displays through one HDMI and 3 DisplayPort outputs makes it ideal for gamers and productivity users who want a multi-monitor setup or immersive gaming workspace. The PCIe 3.0 interface ensures consistent data transfer for reliable rendering performance. Cooling is well handled by the Hyper-Render system, featuring dual fans, copper heat pipes, and smart thermal control that keeps temperatures stable even under heavy load. The intelligent fan stop feature reduces noise during idle use and improves durability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.